Snowstorms can be tough, but choosing the right snowblower doesn't have to be. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best snowblowers, designed to make your winter chores easier and more efficient. Whether you're dealing with light flurries or heavy snowfalls, we've got the perfect options for you. If you're interested in any of these products, check out the links in the description below. Let's dive in. Starting with number 5, Worx 40-volt cordless snowblower. The Worx 40-volt cordless snowblower is a compact yet powerful machine that's perfect for smaller driveways or walkways. It runs on two 20-volt batteries, giving it a combined 40 volts of power, which is comparable to some gas-powered models. The fact that it's cordless makes it extremely convenient. No need to worry about extension cords or gas refills. This model is equipped with a single-stage rotary auger that grinds through compacted snow and ice with surprising ease for its size. One of the standout features is its high-efficiency brushless motor. You see, brushless motors are known for being more durable and using less battery power compared to traditional motors. This means you'll get more runtime out of each charge, which is essential when you're clearing snow in colder weather. The motor also ensures that the machine operates quietly, so it won't disturb your neighbors early in the morning. However, as great as this machine is for light to moderate snowfalls, one area where it could improve is battery life. If you're dealing with heavier snow or larger areas, you might find yourself needing to recharge midway through the job. It's not a deal breaker, but something to keep in mind if you live in an area prone to frequent or heavy snowstorms. Features you may be looking for: 40-volt dual battery power, single-stage rotary auger, 180-degree rotating chute, dual LED headlights, fully collapsible handle. Next on our list is the MAXLANDER cordless snowblower, which offers a solid balance between power and convenience. This model comes with a 20-inch clearing width and a 10-inch depth capacity, making it ideal for moderate-sized areas like mid-sized driveways or sidewalks. It's powered by two 20-volt batteries that give it enough juice to handle most residential snow clearing tasks. One of the things I really appreciate about this model is its brushless motor, which not only provides more power but also ensures a longer lifespan for the machine itself. Brushless motors tend to run cooler and more efficiently than their brushed counterparts, meaning less wear and tear over time. Another feature worth mentioning is the 180-degree rotating chute that allows you to direct where the snow goes with just a simple turn of a handle. This makes it easy to clear your driveway without having to constantly reposition yourself or the machine. Features you may be looking for: 40-volt high-power motor, 180-degree rotating chute, dual LED headlights, brushless motor for longer life, includes two 20-volt batteries and fast charger. Let's look at our next contender, number 3, SnowJoe SJ625E Electric Snowblower. The SnowJoe SJ625E is an electric powerhouse that's perfect for homeowners who want a reliable machine without having to deal with gas or oil maintenance. It's equipped with a robust 15-amp motor that can move up to 800 pounds of snow per minute, making it one of the more powerful electric models on the market today. This model excels at clearing mid-sized driveways and walkways quickly and efficiently. One thing I particularly like about this machine is its maintenance-free design. You don't have to worry about tune-ups or oil changes like you would with a gas-powered blower. However, there are some limitations when it comes to handling packed-down snow or ice left behind by city plows. While it does well with fresh or moderately packed snow, ice can sometimes be a challenge for its single-stage auger system. Still, if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to maneuver that can handle most residential snowfalls, this model will get the job done without breaking a sweat. Features you may be looking for: maintenance-free design, efficient snow clearing on various surfaces, lightweight and easy to maneuver, perfect for early morning use, effective on both light and heavy snow. Next up on our list, number 2, EcoPower Plus SNT211 Snowblower. The EcoPower Plus SNT211 is one of the most powerful cordless models on our list, thanks to its dual battery system that combines two EGO 56-volt ARC lithium batteries. This gives it enough power to clear up to 8 inches of snow on a driveway large enough for up to 16 cars. Its steel auger makes quick work of both snow and ice, cutting through them faster than many other cordless models on the market. What sets this model apart from others is its variable speed auger control, which allows you to adjust how fast the auger spins based on your needs. If you're dealing with lighter powdery snow, you can slow down the auger speed to conserve battery life. If you're tackling heavier wet snow or ice, crank it up for maximum power. One thing worth noting is that this model isn't self-propelled, so pushing it through deeper snow might require some effort, especially if you're dealing with more than 8 inches of accumulation at once. Despite that minor drawback, this blower's combination of power and efficiency makes it an excellent choice for homeowners who need something capable of handling larger jobs without sacrificing convenience. Features you may be looking for: dual Ego 56-volt batteries, steel auger cuts through ice and snow, throws snow up to 40 feet, variable speed auger control, high-efficiency brushless motor. Finally, we arrive at our top pick, the Greenworks Brushless Cordless Snowblower. This model truly stands out thanks to its G-Max technology that delivers consistent performance even in tough conditions. With a clearing path of 20 inches wide and 8 inches deep, this machine can handle everything from light dustings of powdery snow to heavier wet accumulations effortlessly. What makes this blower particularly impressive is its brushless motor technology. Brushless motors are known for being both powerful and efficient. They provide more torque while using less energy than traditional motors. This means longer runtime on each charge and less wear on the motor over time. One minor critique would be its performance in extremely cold temperatures. Like many battery-powered devices, its runtime can decrease when temperatures drop significantly below freezing. However, as long as your batteries are stored indoors when not in use, this shouldn't pose too much of an issue. Features you may be looking for: G-Max 40V Li-ion technology, brushless motor for enhanced performance, 20-inch clearing path and 8-inch depth, LED lights for better visibility, rotating chute with precise control. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best snowblower. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Check out the links in the description for more details on each product, and let us know in the comments which one you think is best suited for your needs.